Tailor Brands says you can form an LLC for $0. And technically, that's true. Their basic plan costs nothing beyond your state filing fee. But here's the thing. Most people don't just need a filing. They need compliance, a registered agent, branding. And by the time you add those, you could be looking at over $500 on Tailor Brands alone, plus your state fee on top. So which plan is actually worth it, where you can skip, and is there a gotcha at checkout that catches almost everyone? I'll cover all of it in the next 10 minutes. Hi, I'm Stacy, and I'm with LC Buddy. We review LC formation services full time. We go through the real sign-up flows, compare pricing, read actual customer reviews, and test support. We don't form LCs ourselves. Our job is helping you figure out which service is actually worth your money. Quick disclosure, there are links in the description box below. If you use them, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. That does not change what we say in this review. Now, let's get into it. Tailor Brands launched in 2015 out of New York City and Tel Aviv. It started as a branding platform, AI-powered logo design, social media graphics, website building. LC formation came later as the company expanded into what they call now a business building platform. They've raised over $70 million in funding from investors including GoDaddy, Our Crowd, Pitango, and Mangrove Capital Partners. According to the company, over 30 million people have used Tailor Brands worldwide, and that number includes all their services, not just the LC formation. This context matters. Tailor Brands is a branding company that added LC formation, not the other way around. Their branding tools are where the real debt is. The LC site is functional and well-reviewed, but it's not their original focus. On Trustpilot, they currently have over 13,000 reviews with a displayed score of about 4.7 out of 5. Positive reviews frequently praise customer support and ease of use. However, about 13% of reviews are 1-star, typically citing unexpected charges, billing confusion, or subscription cancellation issues. They do not appear to have BBB accreditation. Tailor Brands has 3 LC plans. All 3 require your state's filing fee on top. That's a government fee, not a Tailor Brands charge. Here's the full breakdown. Now, the details most reviews skip. The light plan at $0 gets you the bare minimum. Your LC gets filed about 14 business days of processing time. No compliance monitoring, no operating agreement, no branding tools. If you're experienced and you just need the paperwork submitted, it works. If this is your first LLC, you'll probably want more. The essential plan at $199 per year is where most people should look. It includes annual compliance monitoring and an operating agreement. 2 things most new LLC owners don't think about until a bank asks for them or they miss a state deadline. It also cuts processing from 14 days to about 1 business day. The Elite plan at $249 per year adds a full branding suite. 1-year free domain, website builder with online store, 8 custom logos, social media tools, digital business card, and business card design tools. If you're building a brand from scratch, this is where Tailor Brands pulls ahead of pure formation services. Now, here's the checkout gotcha I mentioned at the top. The registered agent service is not included in any plan. It's a separate $199 per year add-on. And based on reports from multiple review sources, you can only add it at the time you purchase your LLC. You reportedly cannot buy it separately or add it later. If you're not sure whether you need one, here's the quick test. Are you comfortable having your home address on public record? And can you be available at that address during business hours to accept legal documents? If not, a registered agent handles that for you. Make this decision before you check out. The EIN add-on is $99. You can do this yourself at irs.gov for free in about 5 minutes. The IRS tool is available Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern. If you try on a weekend, the system is down. That trips a lot of people up. And one more. Every plan includes a free 30-day trial of invoicing and bookkeeping tools. After 30 days, it automatically converts to $30 per month. Set a calendar reminder on day 1. Forget this, and you're paying for something you may not want. This is what Tailor Brands does well. The branding suite is a standout, and it's what makes Tailor Brands different from most LLC services. Logo design, website builder with online store, business email, social media graphics, business cards, digital business cards, and a merchandise print store. all in one dashboard on the Elite plan. If you need both formation and branding, this saves you from stitching together 5 different tools. They also include a business academy with every plan, including the free one. It's structured educational content organized into 3 tracks: business formation, planning for success, and growing your business. For a first time business owner, that kind of guided learning has real value. And it's a nice touch that most formation services don't offer. Customer support is consistently praised. They offer phone support at 1332-286-2770, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Eastern. On Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., plus email. Across thousands of Trustpilot reviews, customers frequently mention support agents by name and praise patient personalized help. That's a consistent pattern. Filing accuracy is also well regarded. Based on customer feedback, formation documents tend to get filed correctly the first time, which matters. A rejected filing means delays and sometimes refiling costs. Example number 1: brand launch. 2 partners launching a clothing brand. You need an LLC, a logo, a website, business cards, and social media templates. The Elite plan at $249 per year covers all of that. Add the registered agent at $199 per year so neither partner's home address goes on public record. First year Tailor brand cost $448 plus the $99 EIN if you want them to handle it. Add your state fee on top. Year 2 drops to $448 since the EIN is a one-time charge. This is the scenario where Tailor brand makes the most sense. Formation plus full branding, one platform. Quick note, I'm going to cover the downsides, common mistakes, and realistic cost breakdowns next. But if you already know TailorBrands is the right fit, I've got a full written review with the latest pricing on llcbuddy.com. Links right there in the description. Now, let's keep going. This is where TailorBrands falls short. The registered agent restriction is the biggest watchout. Based on reports from multiple review sources, you can only add TailorBrands registered agent at the time of your LLC purchase. You reportedly can't add it later or buy it as a standalone. If you skip it at checkout and change your mind, you'll need a different provider. The branding tools, logo, website, domain, business cards, are only on the Elite plan. Light is genuinely bare bones. Essential doesn't include branding either. If branding is why you're looking at Tailor Brands, you need the $249 tier. Refund and cancellation policies vary depending on what you bought and when. Before purchasing, review Tailor Brands' current terms of service on their website. Some reviewers mention difficulty getting refunds. Others say support resolved billing issues. The safest approach? Only add services you're certain you need. About 13% of Trustpilot reviews are 1-star. The common complaints? Unexpected charges, confusion around subscription renewals, and final pricing being higher than expected. This isn't unique to Tailor Brands. Many subscription-based services get similar feedback, but going in informed is always better. And if you're forming a corporation, nonprofit, or general partnership, Tailor Brands is primarily set up for LLCs. For other entity types, you may need a service with broader options. Example number 2. Non-US resident forming a US LLC. You'll need a registered agent since you can't serve as your own from outside the country. That's $199 per year. No way around it. And the EIN process for non-residents is different. It requires filing IRS Form SS4 by fax or mail, which can take 4 to 6 weeks. Before paying for Tailor Brands' EIN service, confirm they handle the non-resident process specifically, not just a standard online application. Here are 5 myths about Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands forms your LLC completely free. The Light Plan service fee is zero, but you still pay your state's filing fee, roughly $40 to $500. And Light is very limited. The plans most people want start at $189 per year. All the branding tools come with every plan. Logo, website, domain, social media tools. That's Elite only at $249 per year. You have to use Tailor Brands registered agent. You can serve as your own in most states or use any provider. Tailor Brands agent is optional, but if you want theirs, add it at checkout. Once the LLC is filed, you're done. Filing is step 1. You still need an EIN, a business bank account, possibly local licenses, and ongoing compliance filings. More expensive services file more accurately. LLC filings are standardized state forms. Accuracy doesn't meaningfully vary by price. You're paying for convenience, speed, and bundled services. Here are 5 mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Paying $99 for an EIN without checking the IRS first. Free at irs.gov. 5 minutes. Monday to Friday. 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern. Down on weekends. That catches people off guard. Mistake 2. Skipping the registered agent decision at checkout. Reports say you can't add it after purchase. Decide upfront. Use theirs. Serve as your own or plan to use another provider. Mistake 3. Forgetting the bookkeeping trial converts to $30 a month. Set a reminder on day 1. Cancel by day 25 at the latest. Mistake 4. Choosing light and expecting branding tools. $0 plan equals filing plus coaching. Logo website domain is equal elite only. Mistake 5. Not budgeting for year 2. Essential and elite are annual subscriptions. Registered agent renews annually. Know what you owe next year, not just this year. One more thing on timing. Tailor Brands processing is about 14 business days for light and about 1 business day for essential and elite. After they submit, the state's own processing begins, and that varies. Some states take a few days, others take weeks. That part is outside Tailor Brands' control. Here's the verdict and decision checklist. Forming a standard LLC, Tailor Brands is built for that. Need branding, logo, website, domain, business cards? The elite plan is where Tailor Brands outperforms most formation services. Only need a filing and nothing else? Light may be all you need if you can handle compliance, EIN, and operating agreements on your own. Need a registered agent for privacy or convenience? Add it at checkout. Reports say it can't be added after purchase. Have you checked your state's current filing fee on the official state website? Have you budgeted for year 2? Essential, elite, and the registered agent renew annually. Set a reminder to cancel the bookkeeping trial within 30 days if you don't want it. If you need LC formation only, Tailor Brands Light Plan is a solid free option, and the Essential Plan is well priced for what you get. But if you need formation and branding in one place, Tailor Brands is one of the few services that does both, and the Elite Plan does it well. That's the sweet spot. Where it falls short, the registered agent restriction, the add-on pricing that can add up, and branding tools locked to the top tier. Go in with clear expectations and a realistic budget, and you'll get good value. That's the full honest breakdown. All 3 plans, real costs, what's great, and what to watch out for. You've got everything you need to decide. We keep our full Tailor Brands review updated on llcbuddy.com. Whenever their plans or pricing change, we update the reviews to always have the latest numbers. You'll also find side-by-side comparisons and state-by-state cost guides. Links in the description. Everything on the site is free. If this saved you time or money, hit like so more people can find it. Subscribe for honest reviews on other LC services. See you on the next one.